video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to actually prepare a bentonite clay mask. This mask can be used as a facial mask or a hair mask. There are also two types of bentonite clay masks that I'm going to be showing you guys in the video. I'm going to be using one to mix and one to just show you guys what I've used before so that you can have an idea of which two that you can buy. I will also link in the description box where you can buy both bentonite clays and the apple cider vinegar. When it comes to mixing the bentonite clay, it says to use 1 part clay, 3 parts liquid. You can use either water or apple cider vinegar, but I chose to use apple cider vinegar because I want mine a little bit more potent. As far as the measurement goes, definitely just eyeball this because it depends on the consistency that you find most comfortable with applying to your face or your hair. So I like a smoother type of creamy consistency, so you guys will see me add a little bit more clay to this mixture so that I can make it a little thicker. When you also are mixing bentonite clay, you want to make sure that you're using utensils that are not metal and bowls that are not metal because the clay will absorb the metals in your utensils or your bowls. You want to make sure that you mix this up as much as possible to where the small little lumps are no longer visible so that it's easier to apply to your face or your hair. Once I get the consistency that I like, I then begin to apply it to either my face or my hair. Some of the benefits of using a bentonite clay mask on your natural hair can include increased moisture and softness, which helps for more manageability, and extreme definition in natural curly hair. Like, you'll notice as soon as you apply it to your natural hair, every single curl will be defined. Some benefits of using bentonite clay for your face include softness, and also it reduces the blemishes and the dark spots that you may have on your face. It also acts as an astringent, so it pulls toxins from beneath the surface of your skin on your face. Bentonite clay is pretty much the simplest mask to make. However, it does get a little messy. Okay, I'm lying. It gets a lot messy, okay? So make sure that you're applying this in the shower or somewhere where you don't mind a lot of things being messed up because this gets everywhere, and I'm just gonna be honest with y'all, but it is well worth it, I promise you. And that's pretty much it on how to make a bentonite clay mask. Like I said, it's a simple, easy mask to make. The only problem is that it does get a little messy, but it has so many great benefits for the hair and the skin. So I highly recommend that if you have not tried a bentonite clay mask, that you try one ASAP. And as always, thank you guys for watching my videos. See you on the next one.